Hey guys, it's me. I have got sparkly lips, I know what you're thinking. But yeah. And so I'm going to be reviewing these. Yeah. So I actually got these today. Sorry, I know what you're thinking. So that's why I'm going to move you guys. Oh god, right, okay. Over to there. I'm going to let you lean. If it'll let me. Oh my goodness, hold on guys. I'm sorry you're waiting there. Ugh, get all my rocks out. Right, so if that goes, I'll use that one. No. These two. To prop you up. No, that's good. Oh god, no. See, it says egg. What if I get these two? There we go, that works. So the first one is going to be this liquid lava putty color illusion purple flare, sorry. It's like oil. And the top it says it stretches, it snaps, and then it's Nickelodeon, and then it says it bounces and it flows. So I'm just going to take, oh wow. I have actually played with this, but look inside. Wow. No joke, that is just crazy. So I'm just going to take it out here. Oh wow, that is stretchy. Okay. Can you see it there? I'm going to check on the camera, right? So there would be a good spot, right? I'm looking on the camera. That is good. Wow, you can see how far it stretches as well. Oh wow, did you hear that crack? You can hear it. It's like crazy. Like, no joke. Look how far! Ah! No, it's not. I'll give you guys a close-up of this wonder. Look at that. Wow. No joke, that looked awesome. And it's like, oh my god. It's hard to stop. No joke, it's hard. I'll just let you guys take a moment to look at that absolute wonder right there. So I'm going to go put this back in its tub and I'll play with it later. I'm going to my friend Zoe's at 4. It's currently like 3 right now, so I've still got like an hour. Sad. Next one. I was playing with this one too. And it is pretty sticky, so. Oh my god, there's a massive bubble. I'm gonna go pop it. Okay. Ah, oh my god, it's so sticky. Ah! Ah! It popped on me. Ah! Oh god, that feels weird. I just wiped out my carpet, right? Oh god, oh, this was a big mistake. That was a big mistake. Help! And look at my hands. Can you see that? They're like, ew. Oh my god. So I think the thing is you've got to play with it, kind of mix it. I'm gonna actually get something to put this on because this is. Haha! I'll turn it the other way. Where there's nothing that it can catch onto. I'm gonna pour it. Oh wow! Wow! Oh my, no way! So do that. Remember? Oh no! Right.